Your air conditioning is blowing lukewarm air, and you notice the temperature needle climbing dangerously close to the red zone while you are stuck in city traffic. This nightmare scenario is often caused by a P2600 diagnostic trouble code, which points directly to an open circuit in your electric coolant pump eye control circuit. This is a generic powertrain code that you will see most often in hybrid vehicles from brands like Ford, Honda, Nissan, and Toyota, where an electric pump is used instead of a traditional belt-driven one. This pump is the heart of your cooling system, and it is controlled by the powertrain control module using signals from your coolant temperature and intake air sensors. When the computer detects that the electrical path to the pump is broken, it cannot circulate coolant, which puts your engine and your expensive hybrid battery at risk of overheating. The severity of this code is extremely high because the computer cannot fully compensate for a dead pump, so it might run your cooling fans at 100% all the time just to try and keep things from melting down. Common causes include a simple open circuit in the wiring harness or a pump motor that has failed internally. You might also have a blown fuse or a bad relay that is preventing power from reaching the pump. To troubleshoot this, you should first search for any technical service bulletins for your specific year and model to see if there is a known factory fix. Locate the pump near the front of the engine or inside the wheel well, and check the connector for any signs of melted plastic or green corrosion on the metal pins. Use a digital volt-ohm meter to check for 12 volts of power at the pump while the ignition is on. If you have power but the pump isn't spinning, use your meter to check the resistance of the pump motor. If it shows infinite resistance, the pump is dead and must be replaced. You can also use a test light connected to the battery positive to check the ground circuit while using a scan tool to command the pump to turn on. If the light doesn't shine, you have a wiring issue between the pump and the computer. You should get this fixed immediately because an overheating engine can warp your cylinder heads and turn a simple electrical repair into a total engine replacement.